What is everything this thing's getting? Windshield, full vehicle, and protection.
Hey, what's going on? It's Carlos here at Stealth Window Tint in Redding, California. Today's vehicle, we have a 2025 Toyota Landcruiser right here, brand new, off the lot. The gentleman just got it just not that long ago. And what we're putting on it today is XPEL Prime XR Plus, which is a 98% heat rejection ceramic film. And we're also doing a new product, windshield protection film, on the front of the windshield. Yes, you heard that right. It goes on the outside of the windshield. And what it does is it protects the windshield from rock chips up to 110 miles an hour. But those rocks have to be kind of small to protect that windshield. It's kind of like a PPF for your windshield. So yeah, hang out in this video and watch us finish this vehicle when we're done. It's gonna be awesome and look badass. Alright, so this 2025 Toyota Landcruiser has complete tint. So the front windows are 70% XR plus 98% heat rejection film. So yes, it is see-through still. The back half is 5% XPEL 98% heat reduction ceramic film. And look how beautiful this brand new Landcruiser looks. Next thing we're going to be doing is a new product called windshield protection film, which will go right there on the outside. Almost done. Alright, so we're installing windshield protection film on the outside of this Toyota Landcruiser. It is kind of like I said, like a PPF, but for your windshield to stop rock chips. And it's just a pretty easy installation. Yeah, there you go. It's almost done. As soon as we're done, we'll show you the finished product.
A few moments later.
All right, it is installed. It's clear film, just like PPF. Can't even tell it's on there. Looks really, really good. The key thing to this is you have to ceramic boost it every 30 days. And you have to get new windshield wipers. So that's the key. We have to ceramic boost it every 30 days, and you got to get new windshield wipers. But yeah, besides that, this is looking so dang good. There you go. Completely done. Check it out. All right, we're gonna pull this puppy out. We're gonna give the customer a call and let them get their car.